Coalatree, our adventures always begin with eco-minded products. Our latest product is no exception. Introducing the Bassline. The Bassline packs 3 cups of used coffee grounds and 10 recycled plastic bottles into one versatile, breathable, all-temp layer that's the perfect fit for any adventure. With coffee particles embedded into the fabric, the Bassline is odor resistant, UV protective, moisture wicking, and has a DWR coating. Combine all that with the interior honeycomb texture, and you get a fabric that is durable, soft, and offers better insulation and breathability. Unlike other fleece garments, the Bassline does not shed microplastics when washed. This guilt-free layer saves millions of plastic particles from contaminating our ecosystems. It is perfect for summer as a comfortable lightweight sweater, or in the winter as a versatile extra layer. Thumb holes offer additional warmth and keep your sleeves in place to easily add an extra layer of comfort and warmth to any outfit. The Bassline stuffs into its own pocket and makes a great pillow or cushion. At less than 1 pound, it's lightweight and easy to take with you anywhere. With 2 side zipper pockets and 1 easily accessible chest pocket, the Bassline also keeps your valuables secure while you're on the go. With reinforced seams, the Bassline was designed to keep working for years to come. Back and share our project and find your Bassline.